This is the probability chapter. We are gonna go over star question related to probability part, the test year between 2013 and 2017. Let's start with question number 1. Bailey will roll a number cube and flip a coin for a probability experiment. Let's remember the cube. It has 6 sides, 6 different events, and flip a coin giving us 2 different results, head or tail. The faces of the number cube are labeled 1 through 6. The coin can land on heads or tails. If Bailey rolls the number cube once and flip the coin once, which list contains only the outcomes in which the number cube lands on a number greater than 4? So on the number, basically, on a dice, we will have 1 through 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the question asking us the number greater than 4 and all the other events related to flip a coin, which is head and tails. We call it compound event, but it's restricted by 4, 5, 6, but it says greater than 4. That means 4 should not include it. So 5 and head, or 5 and tails, or 6 and head, 6 and tails, the outcome we should consider. So A as an apple will be our answer. Next one. Russia will receive 1 ticket during a contest. The tickets came in the different colors and have a different point values. Which group of choices has a total of 8 different combination of 1 color and 1 point? So in any manner, the amount of color we have and the amount of value we have together, whichever the number we gotta multiply, we gotta have, we need to have 8 total. So if we consider here 3, 5, 8 times, this amount number will be greater than 8, and which is we don't need to happen. 4 times 4 will give us 16 in this case. In this case, when you look at here, 8 times 2 will give you 16. But when we look at here as compound event, the experiment can happen on this part is 4. This part is 2. 4 times 2 will give you 8. And our answer is going to be H as an horizon. Next one. The arrow on each spinner shown below will be spun 1 time. So this is 4 option here, there is a 4 option here, there is a 2 option here. That means we gotta have 4 times 2, which is 8 different events or 8 possible outcomes. Which of the following diagrams show all the possible outcomes when each arrow is spun once? I told already it should be 8 different outcome or 8 different branch. When you look at here, these are not the option we should consider because each branch count as 1 event. But when we look at here, color are different and numbers are different. 2 colors appear, so each of them related to 2 different color option. Our answer is going to be C as in cat. This is not going to happen because we should not have all outcomes as the same color with the ones with the related spot. Next one. The places Teresa can choose to go on Friday or Saturday are listed below. She can go to one place each day, and she has 4 different options. So she has 2 days to choose and 4 different options to go to place. So we supposed to have 8 different outcomes. When you look at here, there are no 8 outcomes here. When we look at here, there are 8 outcomes, but concert repeated 3 times. Each item over here should repeat it 2 times by day, Friday and Saturday, and D as in dog is going to be our answer. One more. Each player in a game will roll a number cube and spin the arrow on a spinner 1 time. the numbers on each face of the number cube and the shapes on the spinner are shown below. How many different combinations of one odd number and one shape are possible? So let's look at our shapes. How many shapes we have? We have 6 shapes. And when we consider the odd numbers, this is odd number, this is odd number, this is odd number. So we have 3 odd number, and on the spinner we have 6 different sessions. We got to consider this 2 event as compound event. So 3 times 6 will give us 18. This is the last question for this video. See you next time.